So, once again, I'm gonna play a tune on a request actually, or Janosch sent me the tune. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, by the way, but a guy that subscribed to my channel and we talk every now and then. And since I didn't have any male vocals, he opted this one. I will play the tune from Owen Ekman as well. He replied with some jazz, but the jazz he sent me was kind of oldish, and I only found only had a YouTube version, and it wasn't that great in terms of quality. So maybe he has another one. Let me stabilize this image a bit. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Let me clap. Hello. Nice, it has a pre-record function, that's nice. So, I redesigned the tweeter thingies, and I tried some stuff. I used double-sided tape as spacing, but as I tried before once with electrostatic speakers, double-sided tape tends to creep, so it loses tension and it became really ugly and stuff. The tweeters as they are now are really pleasing to see, but I still am gonna weigh it down a little bit to get rid of some high end, because there's a little bit too much still. Not much, but a tiny bit, and it will increase, not efficiency, it will decrease efficiency, but what will happen is that the dispersion will be better. I mean, this is a pretty big tweeter, so I'm probably gonna add something here or here to at least have a little bit better horizontal dispersion. But I might get away by making this hole smaller. I'm not sure. I didn't try that. Could be that I will end up with some weird resonance, but it looks really, if it's able to focus, I don't think so, because there's not enough light there. Quite nice. The backside is not that interesting, but there's some felt there on the magnets temporarily to dampen the resonance. So yeah, quite shiny, I must say. But let's play the tune. It's a bit of a mess here, but that's usually the case when I'm busy with something. I forget everything else. Okay, so this works. Where shall we focus on? You could try to focus on one of the speakers, but I don't think there's actually enough light to do so. Ah well, fuck it. Oh yeah, well, I'll show you how it sounds if I'm standing where the speakers were standing, because people say, yeah, your speaker sounds a bit boomy or whatever. They do in here, that's for sure. I'm not sure how they sound somewhere else, because, well, this is my living room. But the Case Project speakers are standing at Case Place, and they sound, especially in the low end, completely different than they sounded here. So I'm really curious. He has a really nice, good sounding room. It's insane. I really was pleased. I was a bit like, what the fuck, how did we make this even? But yeah. Standing here near the speaker, and you can clearly hear there's this echo thingy. It's, I don't know in which region it is. I think lowish, underneath 500 or so, I don't know. But it's not that pleasant. Also, I heard some rattling at certain frequencies, and I was like, shit. I was playing around here, is it this cable, is it whatever, what is it? But actually it's my ceiling. But the funny thing is that you cannot locate the resonating sound. It's really weird. It sounded like it was coming from here, but actually it was coming from straight above the speaker. So now I at least know what it is, so I don't have to search for it forever. Yeah, the tweeters are 4.5 dB down compared to the woofers. The woofers have a bevel step of 3 dB, and they're 86 efficiency normally, 86.6 or something. So that would give me -3, 83 dB, and the tweeters are 4.5 dB down, so they're around 88 dB efficiency, sort of. And that's even single-ended. I'm not sure yet if I can manage to make it push-pull, because I think there's gonna be a weird dip when I do, which is too bad, but well, hell, that's the way it is. Let's play a tune. Never heard of the guy. It is a tiny bit cheesy, I think, but it's primarily because of the use of the reverb. But, well, everyone likes a different kind of music, of course, so it might just be me. It's Sean Rowe. I'll Follow Your Trail. It's a bit country, I think, I guess. So here we go.
I didn't know I was looking for you. I didn't know there was something to find. Tomorrow you won't fit in yesterday's shoes, and I'm trying so hard to rewind. You came to me as an empty cup. I didn't know love could ever be real. And every day I tried to fill you up with everything that I thought you would feel. Through the years, the sorrow, the joy that we borrow, the tears that we share with the rain. Oh, today, tomorrow, forever I'll follow your trail. Just call my name. I was there when you took your first step into a world that was wide as the sky. I held your belly there against my chest. I was there when you needed to cry. I never knew a friend could be so small and have a heart just as big as the moon. You know I can't stop you from growing up. I just wish that it wasn't so soon. Through the years, the sorrow, the joy that we borrow, the tears that we share with the rain. Oh, today, tomorrow, forever I'll follow your trail. Just call my name.
Yeah, so that's that. I try to refine the, well, production is not actually production, but the way of making the tweeters to make it a little bit easier on myself. To have a little bit more consistent results and neater looking as well. I think they look really cool. But still, might want to change some stuff, like the hole in the baffle. But the baffle is glued this time, so I think this is it for this pair of test speakers. I'll probably use transparent tape to narrow the high frequency emitting part a little bit to make dispersion a little bit better. Then I'll lose a little bit of efficiency, but since I got 4.5 dBs to spare or something, or is it 4.5? Oh, I disabled the mini DSP. Yeah, it is 4.5. So yeah, glad with this result. If you got any ideas or questions, please let me know, because I would like to make some videos, of course, where there is not copyrighted material in it, so that would be nice for a change. But well, catch you next time.